Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to delete search entries in Firefox. This is actually quite simple. But for this I also want to show you beforehand what can be affected by this if you really want to destroy all evidence. So I open Firefox, and when I type in a W into the address bar, it shows directly what I have seen last, like this one. In addition, down here you can see which Google links I clicked for this search. And last but not least, some things are suggested based on my recent searches. So how can we delete all this now? First I click on the three bars in the upper right corner and go to History and Clear Recent History. Here I now have to check three different items. Browsing and download history removes all links, in this case the Google links that gave me away. Cookies, because this removes the suggestions on Google based on my recent searches, and form and search history. This removes the entries at Firefox itself, the ones with the little clock on the top here. Then I have to select the time period, like everything, and click OK. And there you go, all those dates are no longer there. Let's check that now. If I enter a W again, nothing comes up. And also with Google, nothing is suggested anymore. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.